What is up, y'all? I got my Blackberry Diner French toast, 2 sunny side eggs, and I got a fresh fruit here. I put so much syrup that it's like it completely drenched the French toast, and there's a lot left over, but let's get to it. I wasn't in the mood for pancakes today. I could have got 3 pancakes or French toast. And so let me get the thick French toast. It's like 2 slices of bread. But this looks really good. I thought they were gonna give me like 4. Look at that. It tastes good too because they use the right type of syrup. Like they give the organic stuff so it doesn't have that chemical taste. Let me get my egg. This really is like, I need toast for this because the egg's runny. They didn't fully cook the egg through. I didn't order it runny. I ordered it sunny side up. I went there and there was one other person there. It was so empty. I was excited because last time I went during like I think dinner time. That's why. Yeah, the eggs are really runny. You know what? I forgot I have some bread because I went grocery shopping. So I got bread. There you go. Oh man, my knife is all eggy now. With the French toast, it has good flavor. And you rip it off and then you dip it. Don't waste the food. This is good, man. I wanted some good breakfast food. Oh man. It's a bummer they don't have turkey, bacon, or sausage. Damn, this is good. Keep on dipping. Alright, French toast time. Look at my napkin. Fresh fruit. Yeah, it tastes good. I like French toast. I don't even remember the last time I had French toast. I don't know, I think I honestly prefer French toast over pancakes. Pancakes are so heavy. Like Like, they make you so full. At least this way I could get the breakfast food with French toast, and I immediately don't have to go take a nap. Fucking. Oof. I didn't get coffee or anything today. I don't feel like getting coffee. I'm not a big coffee drinker. If you guys have a Black Bear Diner by you, I suggest you try it out. Make sure you sign up for their email too, so you get free food on your birthday. I'm gonna throw that knife out. How are you guys holding up during the quarantine? It's really boring for me, man. Nothing to do. I hope this thing's over soon, man. I know California had a record low this week. So we could probably move out of the purple zone into the red zone, I believe is the next one. I don't understand, like, you know, how this is still here a year later. A year wasted, not been able to work, not been able to go to school, not been able to do anything. There's only so much things you could watch on YouTube, and you get bored after a while. Then you start getting cabin fever. You just gotta go outside and walk around, you know. Try not to lose your mind. It's crazy. The government should have done a way better job with this, but no. And then the stimuluses too. We didn't get anything. We got what, 2 stimuluses? Every other country got every month. Doesn't make any sense, man. It's just, it sucks. This whole thing is, you know, a lot of people lost their jobs, their homes. It changed their lives a lot. It's horrible. But we gotta try to make the best of it, and yeah, I don't know. That breakfast was good. I'm gonna take a nap now. I'm gonna watch Scrubs and take a nap. That's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.